What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's video, I want to talk to you about what I'm going through at the moment, which is major hair loss. Yes! major hair loss. Why? Because every time I have a baby, my hair gets really thick, and then after I give birth, I lose so much hair after my hormones drop. And it's happened in every pregnancy, after every baby, and around the 4-month mark, all of a sudden, like, I start losing so much hair. So if you want to hear about it and you want to see my demo, stick around. Okay, so what's been happening is pretty much between 3.5 months and 4 months, it's like all of a sudden that time will switch on, and then I will just start losing so much hair in the shower, when I wake up, when I'm brushing my hair, throughout the day. I'm just like shedding so much hair. And when this began on my first baby, I was like in shock, horror. I was getting so much anxiety because I was like, what the is happening to my hair? But now I'm used to it, and I just know that it's just a process that I just have to be patient and I have to go through. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little demo about how much hair comes out, all right? Now, right at the moment, I've probably already lost about half of my hair. Like, it's really difficult to show you how thick my hair is, but this just feels so thin to me. Like, it's just so thin. Like, normally my natural hair is so thick, and look, there's just really not much of it. It's long, but it's gone thin. So I'm going to brush my hair and then show you how much hair loss I'm actually going through. Okay, now that I've given my hair a nice brush, I'm going to show you just in one brush how much hair came out. Okay, this is just in one brush. Bearing in mind that I brush my hair twice a day. When I wake up and before I go to bed, this is how much hair has been coming out of my head, like, for the past 2 weeks. Okay. Which doesn't look like much, but it's a lot. Like, if you look around me right here, there is a lot of hair, okay? That's just that. Now, let me just go through, and then, look at that. Like, it's just coming out in droves. This is happening when I come out of the shower, especially when I wash my hair. I don't know if you can see that, but look at this. Look, it's just coming out. Okay, and on this side, wait, my gosh, it just feels so thin. Look at it. Even the condition of it, it's so bad. It's so dry. It just feels like horsehair. But look, can you see all those little hairs just coming out? Look, it's just coming out. That's just in one brush. Now, if you multiply that over a month or 2 months or so, that it explains why women almost feel like they're going bald. Now, this is due to my pregnancy, but you can imagine what this must do to a person who's got hair, and then all of a sudden they're just losing so much hair. I mean, I've just learnt to deal with it, but damn! If I keep doing this, I'm going to go bald! Look at that. It just keeps coming. I'm not going to do any more. But look at that. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Now, put that aside put my little hairball aside for a second. Let's talk about the condition of my hair after pregnancy. Kind of, oh yeah, and look at this. Look here. You can see all through here. Excuse my little grey threads right there. But through here, it's so thin. Like, if I put my hair up, like if I were to put my hair up right now, look at that. Look at my hairline. Like, it looks so, oh my God, look at that. Oh, look at that. From here to there, you can literally see my scalp. That's how thin it is, especially on this side. And this side. Now that's because I've lost, I reckon I would have lost over 50% of my hair. Okay, now I know this will all grow back. I know it's just shedding right at the moment, but a lot of pregnant women go through this. I know that a lot don't, but far out, bro. This is bad. I've never ever had that until I started having babies. And it's just, it can be quite frightening, but there is hope. There is hope. I will be actually doing a separate series of my hair journey, and I'm going to give my hair a good trim, and then I'm going to start with some really good hair growth shampoo. So I'll be sharing that with you. Stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to share this and just say, like, you are not alone, girlfriend. You are not alone. Look at these ends. It's like there's just nothing there. I am with you, honey. I am with you. If you're experiencing hair loss just like me, then baby, there is a solution, and I will be sharing that on a separate video. But oh my gosh, you're not alone. This is what happens. This is what happens to pregnant women. And it's what happened to me. So yeah, just wanted to share that. Oh, thank you so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And if you need anything, sound off in the comments below. I'll see if I can help you. Mwah. Bye-bye.